This is a 2025 Wildwood 29VIEWX travel trailer. It is 34 feet 10 inches from tongue to bumper with a dry weight of 8,333 pounds and a GVWR weight of 9,800 pounds. It has 200 watts of solar. It's a 50 amp service and it's prepped for a second air conditioner. All right, what's going on, guys? This is Wyatt coming back to you again here with a 2025 Wildwood. This is going to be the 29VIEWX floor plan. So if you get on our website, you see the 29VIEW. This is what we're going to be doing a tour of today. So this is going to be 34 feet 10 inches. That's going to be from tongue to bumper. So we'll go along the outside, show you kind of what it has to offer, and then we'll hop on inside and just kind of do a full review of the floor plan. So without further ado, we can get started here. Full pass-through storage here on the front. It's pretty massive there. It goes all the way through, and I'm not sure if the camera will be able to get it, but they do give you some Velcro, cranks for your jacks and everything, so you can keep them up and out of the way. You can just, I'm an organized person. I like to stay organized, so it's much easier if you can just kind of strap that stuff to there. Dry erase board, if your kids want to draw or you guys like to have a checklist, feel free to do that here. It's pretty handy they threw that in there. So moving on down, a huge awning goes the full length with the LED strip, of course, for your accent lighting while you're outside. Moving on down, JBL speakers with the TV prep. So if you guys want to sit out here, you can watch the big game, hook up your TV. They already give you outlets. If I can get it open. With the hookups there, it's already prepped for the backer. Bluetooth your phone to those JBL speakers, and you can bump some tunes while you're having a party. So they do give you more LED strip lights here along the side with your outdoor kitchen. So it's almost like a mini Blackstone here. You can cook up pancakes, breakfast, bacon, whatever your choice may be. And they already give you the hose for the propane quick connect, so you don't gotta go all the way to the front, unhook your propane tank, bring it all the way back here. They make it nice and easy with that quick connect. So small refrigerator here, give you a little mini fridge, and they do give you the hose with the outdoor shower setup here as well. So if you get a little dirty, if you're playing outside, wash your feet off, whatever you need. Moving on around to the back, they do give you a spare tire carrier, which is super nice. They don't strap it all the way up to the bottom, and they give you the cover, so it's going to protect that from rain, sleet, shine, whatever wear and tear usually comes. Hot water heaters on the back, which I'm a fan of. You don't got to walk all the way to the other side. It's pretty handy just being here on the back. And a backup camera for those of you who like to see where you're backing. You want to get it right in that camp spot first try. We can hook you up with a backup camera. Just let us know. We'll throw it in the deal. It'll get put right into your monthly payments. So any extras that you guys see along the way, if you say, I'd really love to have that backup camera, let us know beforehand. We'll go ahead and throw it in there as an extra. And we'll have one of our service techs pop it on there before you guys even come in to pick it up, so you won't even have to worry about it. So everything is super handy here. That clips in there. Of course, it goes right along to the side. And you can notice it swings out this way, right? So it doesn't swing up like most do. Swings out, pretty handy in my own personal opinion, but it comes down to personal preference. So I think that wraps it up here for the outside. Let's hop on inside and just kind of do a review of the 29VIEW. All right, guys, we are in here with the 29VIEW. This is kind of the first big reveal of the floor plan here. So we got a lot to go over. Some pretty cool things that Wildwood threw in there, especially for those of you with, little kids that, maybe want to have their own little fort or they want to play by themselves. If I was younger, I would think this would be way cool. So we're going to do that first because I think that might be my favorite part of this. So this here may look like just standard storage. You can fit whatever you need in there. That really is just storage. But if you look under here, there's going to be a handle. If you pull that down, this is going to open up into a hidden door, which I think is pretty cool. Now, I will say to start, this is made for your kids, so just keep that in mind there. I'll let the camera guy get in there, but there's a desk so your kids can draw, do whatever they need. There's a bunk, and that bunk will flip up if you want it to give you a little more play space, and you can just flip it down at night when you're ready for bed. But they give you plenty of room to play. It's a cool place for kids to hang out on their own, give them their own little privacy and their own sort of room to kind of do what they please with. So I'm a super big fan that Wildwood did that. I think you know, that's pretty unique that they did. So TV would go here, of course, and it's already has a bracket, so all you gotta do is pop one up there with more storage for movies, video games, you know, whatever you want to do. Fireplace down below, you can watch the TV at night, light up that fireplace, get some accent lighting, heat this whole place up. It will be super nice and comfy. And then of course you do have more storage over here. And then a pantry for all of you moms. We'll just cover this whole wall while we're at it, you know. For all you moms who like to cook, there is a huge pantry, you know, with an actual door, which I really love that they did. You know, you can fit snacks, foods, you know, ingredients, spices, whatever you need, hook them up right there. A super nice L-shaped couch. It will fit quite a few people. So, I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's, you know, 5 grown adults could sit at that easily. And if you have smaller kids, you could really pack them in there and kind of have your own little movie night. So, you know, even with that hidden room, people may think, it really shrinks it down. They still give you plenty of space to hang out and sit, which I really love. Pretty standard fridge and freezer. So just going to be pretty standard stuff there. Nothing too different. But what I really love is this bar. So you don't have to worry about squishing in maybe a smaller dinette. They give you these nice little bar stools, you know, that will be able to be stored away. So while you're cooking breakfast or dinner, or you know, the kids want a snack, whatever it is, you can just, or you know, even if you adults want breakfast, right? Get your bowl of cereal. You can set right here, pull this up, and you have huge windows to look out. I mean, think about if you guys have a really pretty campsite, pop up those blinds, sit here and have your breakfast. I mean, how perfect of a morning would that be? So plenty of bar stools for anybody to sit and hang out in the mornings. And then your microwave, of course, right? So pretty cool little covering they did. Just your standard microwave, 3 top burner with your oven, and then a ton of counter space. So, you know, even if you're just making one big meal, this is a ton of space to, you know, cook, right? There's not a whole lot of space in campers anymore for just countertops and cooking and all that kind of stuff. So I really love that they did that. You know, drying rack here with the sink. It is, you know, one big sink. It doesn't have the divider in the middle, so you have plenty of space to put your dirty dishes. But yeah, I think that kind of wraps it up for the kitchen and kind of living area of the 29 View. We'll go ahead and head on to the bathroom, hit the bedroom, and kind of wrap up the tour and, you know, review of the 29VIEWX. All right, guys, this is the bathroom. So they gave you the beautiful accent lighting there behind the mirrors. That way when you ladies are doing your makeup, or if you guys are trimming up your beards, facial hair, you know, the great lighting, you know, big enough sink to do what you need. And then against the wall, there will even be, you know, space for toothpaste or, you know, toothbrushes, whatever you need to put there, face washes, big enough shower with a big skylight there. So for all you tall fellas out there, I'm 6'3" myself, so you know, we can pop our head right in there and get all nice and clean. And then pretty standard, you know, toilet and everything with the fan above. So, and I really love they didn't put, you know, the actual curtain in or the door that, you know, everybody seems to have problems with nowadays. So I really love that they did that. It's a really good mixture from Wildwood. So a pretty good bathroom floor plan in my own personal opinion on the 29 View. All right, guys, we are in here with the master bedroom on the 29 View. So do kind of a full once over. So they give you your standard overhead storage and everything that you can actually leave open like that with the magnets. They give you little steps for those of you who may need a little assistance to get up there. And then on this side, they actually give you quite a bit of storage here in the back. It even goes down one level lower for, you know, whether you want books or, you know, your portable chargers, whatever you need, you can fit it all back there. And then of course, hanging clothes, you can't forget about that. So they give you plenty of storage here to hang your stuff. And then for those of you who like to watch TV when you go to bed, like myself, the TV backer here with your hookups and everything. So you can post a TV up there, you know, watch your cartoons in the morning or watch your TV show before you go to bed at night. And then washer dryer prep for all you parents who maybe want to do a little extended stay with you and the kids, or maybe just, you know, the adults themselves. have us put a washer dryer in there for you. Again, guys, that's an extra that we can put in there. So just say, hey, we would really love if you could add a washer dryer. We'll throw it in there as an extra. It gets built right into your monthly payments, right? So you barely even notice that it was in the deal. So very cool thing that we can do. Let us know. Our techs will hook you up, right? So one thing, don't forget, this is prepped for a second air conditioner. So all these little things, the washer dryer, the air conditioner, these are all things that we can put in there for you. Just let us know ahead of time. We'll put it in there. Our techs will get you hooked up. So I think that covers it for the 29 View. If you guys have any questions, my name is Wyatt, W-Y-A-T-T. Shoot us a call, 937-843-9000. My personal extension is 139. So if you guys have any questions, please, even if you're not in the market for a couple months, shoot us a call. Let us help you out. We'd sure love to earn your business.